How much should you really spend on a golf swing trainer? I mean, you've got $19 options that look legit, and then $60 ones that promise to fix your swing overnight. Cheap ones work for some, expensive ones get returned by others. The truth? It's not about price, it's about what actually fixes your swing flaw. Product number 1, Callaway Swing Easy. Let's start with the Callaway Swing Easy. This bright orange strap is one of the most recognizable training aids out there, and for good reason. At just $19, it's positioned as an entry-level tool from a trusted brand. And honestly, if you're a beginner trying to stop your arms and body from working against each other, this is worth a serious look. The whole idea is simple. It wraps around your lead arm and the club, forcing your arms and torso to move as one unit during the takeaway. That one-piece takeaway is huge. Most amateurs break their wrists or lift their arms too early, killing consistency. Here's why this matters for you specifically. If you're slicing because your upper body is out of sync, this little strap can rewire that muscle memory fast. It's unisex, works for lefties and righties, and rolls up smaller than a wallet, perfect for tossing in your bag before heading to the range. Now, some people complained about it feeling restrictive or uncomfortable after long sessions. Here's the thing though, it's supposed to feel weird at first. Your body is learning a new motion. If you're only practicing 10-15 minutes a day, it's totally manageable. This is perfect for you if you're new to golf or struggling with timing and coordination. Skip this one if you've already got your swing plane dialed in. It's foundational, not advanced. For under $20, it's one of the best value for money tools out there. Product number 2, Fodsan Retractable Trainer. Now, if the Callaway felt too basic, the Fodsan Retractable Golf Swing Trainer takes a high-tech approach. At $34.58, it's still mid-range but adds real feedback literally. This thing clicks when your swing hits the right tempo and path, giving you instant audio confirmation. That click sound. Here's why this matters for you specifically. If you're rushing your downswing or losing lag, that click trains your brain to feel the correct timing without needing a coach watching. It also has an ergonomic grip trainer built in, helping with hand placement, something most budget aids ignore. Plus, it's usable indoors or outdoors, no ball needed. Some users said the click mechanism can feel overly sensitive or wear out over time. Here's the thing though, the stainless steel shaft and reinforced resin head are built to last, and the 1-year warranty covers defects. If you're serious about building muscle memory through repetition, this feedback loop is gold. This is perfect for you if you want measurable progress and hate guessing whether your swing is right. Skip this one if you prefer silent practice or already have solid tempo. For the price, it's a smart upgrade over passive trainers. Product number 3, Tour Striker Smart Ball. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for fixing your swing path, the Tour Striker Smart Ball. At $60.22, it's the priciest here, but it solves a problem most trainers miss: arm separation. This inflatable rubber ball connects to your arms with cords, forcing your upper and lower body to rotate together. If you're leaking power because your arms are flying away from your chest, this fixes it fast. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The Smart Ball eliminates arm slide, a common flaw that causes weak contact and inconsistency. It also improves posture and shoulder alignment, something video analysis often misses. The patented design has been used by touring pros, and while it looks simple, the effect is immediate. Now, some people complained it's awkward to use indoors or takes time to inflate properly. Here's the thing though, once it's set up, the training payoff is huge. It's not meant for quick warm-ups, it's for deliberate, focused reps. This is perfect for you if you've plateaued and need to rebuild your pivot. Skip this one if you're just starting out. It's better for golfers with a basic swing who need refinement. It's pricey, but if you're serious about long-term improvement, it's worth every penny. Product number 4, SKLZ Click Trainer. Now, if the Fodsan's click feedback intrigued you, the SKLZ Retractable Golf Swing Trainer offers a similar experience, but with a few key upgrades. Priced at $38.43, it's slightly more refined, with a smoother retractable shaft and a more durable 304 stainless steel build. Here's why this matters for you specifically. If you're working on increasing swing speed without sacrificing control, that audible cue helps you find the sweet spot between power and precision. It also includes a grip trainer attachment, so you're killing two birds with one stone. The contraction length is 15.3 inches, stretch length 26.5, perfect for portability. Some users noted the grip isn't as comfortable for smaller hands. Here's the thing though, the non-slip rubber still provides solid hold, and most golfers adapt within a few sessions. This is perfect for you if you want feedback-driven training without breaking the bank. Skip this one if you're left-handed, it's designed for righties only. For under $40, it's one of the best balance trainers on the market. Product number 5, SKLZ Swing Trainer. Finally, the SKLZ Golf Swing Trainer steps into the premium zone at $57.65, but it's built like a gym tool for your swing. This isn't just about tempo, it's about strength, balance, and speed. With 2 weight settings, one for irons, one for woods, it builds grip strength and reinforces proper swing plane through resistance. Here's why this matters for you specifically. If you're losing distance or struggling with consistency off the tee, this trainer helps you develop a faster, more controlled swing through muscle engagement. The foldable design makes it easy to store, and the TPR grip ensures comfort during long sessions. It's also great for indoor use, no need for a range. Now, some people complained it's too heavy for beginners or feels clunky at first. Here's the thing though, that weight is intentional. It's training your muscles to stabilize the club better. If you're not ready for resistance training, it might overwhelm you. This is perfect for you if you're an intermediate to advanced player looking to add power. Skip this one if you're just fixing your grip or timing, it's overkill for basics. But if you want to level up your physical game, this is a standout investment. So which one's best? The Callaway Swing Easy is unbeatable for beginners on a budget. The Fodsan and SKLZ both offer great click feedback. SKLZ edges out with better build quality. The Tour Striker Smart Ball is elite for fixing swing path and rotation. And the SKLZ, that's for golfers ready to train like athletes. Pick based on your flaw, not the price tag.